let's adjust the VFR's chain slack. So what you need is a 17 millimeter socket, torque wrench, and something to measure the slack. So I would use a caliper, and that's it. Clamp bolt, 17 millimeter. So never use your ratchet when untightening. Bolts. I'll get your C-spanner. I did forget to tell you that you need a C-spanner. So to slacken, you turn it clockwise. To tighten, you turn it counterclockwise. See, the chain tightens. Now that it is tight, I usually like to tighten it first and then put some slack right after. It is 25 to 35. Now this is a very new chain, new enough that it won't have any kinks or loose spots. So pull it down and then push it up. Or the other way around. Pull it up, get your measuring tool, and then pull it down. You shouldn't be exerting too much pressure. This is a bit tight for me, so let me slacken it more. I'm happy with that. Maybe a little bit more. That's too much. See? Okay, that's good. So where do you measure? It should be halfway from the sprocket, from the two sprockets. So it should be here. So we were, if you want it really that accurate, we were almost at the right spot. Okay, that's good. Then tighten the pinch bolt to 54 foot-pounds. Now, if your chain is old, then make sure to rotate and remeasure your chain because there will be a slack part and a tight part. Now, that is where the 50 millimeter play comes. The maximum acceptable play on the slackest part is 55. So like let's say for example, you measured the tightest to 25. And then when you turn it, look for the slackest part and it should only be 50, not more than 50. You really need to change your chain. Now before you totally tighten it, you can actually recheck your chain. Sometimes it will change. I think it did change. It's okay. There you go.